Over the past 6 months, I have been running an experiment where instead of trading aggressive strategies on large accounts and risking the entire large accounts, I have been trading them very aggressively on small accounts, attempting to double the account during a short amount of time or blowing up the account. And the objective of this experiment is to see if over the long term, this strategy is much safer and less risky than risking an entire huge account on grid martingale systems. And the expert advisor I chose for this experiment is the Percept Trader AI robot by Valerie Trading. My first attempt at doubling a $1,000 account went pretty well. This was back in the 16th of April 2024, which is 6 months ago. And you can see this is a real account that started off with the $1,000, and over the span of 40 days, it went up to $2,000. So account 1, success. Account number 2, which took 44 days, was also a success. Account number 3 was also a success, though this one took 65 days because I had the incorrect settings initially, but afterwards it seemed to do well. Account 4, 5, and 6 all blew up because we saw some big trends in the market in June and July of 2024. Account number 7 again doubled, this time taking 38 days. Account 8 was a brand new record for me, this one doubling only within 30 days. And I didn't change the settings at all, it's just the market that was the correct conditions for this account to double much faster. Account number 9 unfortunately did blow up. And lastly, we have challenge number 10, which is still going with a profit so far of $316. This is my MetaTrader terminal running the Percept AI Expert Advisor, currently on version 2.23. And if I show you the settings, you can see I've got it set to dynamic lots based on balance of 0.01 per $100, which is very, very aggressive settings. And I do have this running on standard mode. This is a highly aggressive grid martingale expert advisor. So if I open up one of the charts and hold shift while I drag this trade onto the chart, you can see how it behaves and how it trades. So I've got here a sell trade that ended in profit, sell trades, buy trades that are ending in profit. Let me see if I can find a group of losing trades, and there are none for the pound Swiss franc. So let me find another currency pair for you. The New Zealand CAD should be one that has a few more trades. So drag the New Zealand CAD onto this chart and we can see the aggressiveness of this expert advisor come into play. So the first trade was 0.11, second trade was again 0.11, and a third trade was 0.22 lot size. So that's where this type of management, these strengths come into play. When the price goes against you and the price retraces, you don't need to go all the way back to the start of the entry to come out in profit. All these three trades, when combined, will be a profitable one. Which is the biggest risk with these type of expert advisors? While the balance line is going up and up and up, the equity line, which is the drawdown, can be quite dangerous. So in this particular account, according to FX Blue, I did see a maximum drawdown of about $250. So 9 attempts so far in the past 6 months trying to double a $1,000 account, with 4 blowing up and 5 successes. However, I do have to say that the past 6 months have been quite trendy, with amazing volatility, like never seen volatility in the market. I'm talking about June, July, where we saw historically massive volatility. So the next 6 months, and I did say that I would do this experiment for 12 months. So we are at about the halfway month to go. So we still have 6 months left, and hopefully the next 6 months might not be so crazy, but who knows, with Trump going up for election, we don't know what the future holds. And while this experiment is a fun little experiment I'm doing for YouTube, most of my money I don't use on aggressive strategies like this. Most of my real trading funds I use on low risk expert advisors like EA Studio. So if you want to know more about EA Studio, how it works and how I'm trading it on my own live accounts, watch this video right here. Thank you. Bye.